MegaSwap is a decentralized wallet that you can use straight from Bitget. Your assets are stored on the blockchain and are less susceptible to hacks. All your private keys are safe or in escrow during swaps, thanks to Bitget. Here's how to set up your MegaSwap account. To deposit into your MegaSwap account, you have to transfer assets on-chain, even from your Bitget spot account. Transfers are simple. All you need to do is select Deposit from Spot Wallet. Select a chain, tap the deposit to a MegaSwap address, enter the amount and press Submit. For external wallets, select Deposit from the external wallet, choose the token, copy the address or scan the QR code, and send the amount from your wallet. Finally, your assets will show up in your MegaSwap account, ready to swap.